AlQuerques, how to play. The object of the game is to capture all your opponent's pegs or form a position so they are unable to move. Lay out the board. Each player takes 12 pegs of one color and places them in their two closest rows and the two spots on the right of the middle row, leaving the center spot open. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must move one of your pegs along any line to an open space. You may jump a single opponent peg in a straight line to an open space behind it, capturing that piece and removing it from the board. You do not have to jump if you don't want to. After you jump a piece and remove it from the board, if your piece now has another available jump, you can make another jump in the same turn if you want. There is no limit to the number of jumps you can chain together. The first player to capture all their opponent's pegs, or form a position so their opponent is unable to move, wins.